What I'm concerned about is having enough. This is why we have engine compartments. Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. About 2 years ago, yes, this build has been that long so far, I took the dashboard harness out, completely tore it apart and rebuilt it. Today I'm gonna put it back in. Probably do some other stuff too, but that's my #1 goal. Cool, so let's get started. Now let's also take a quick look at what we painted last, was it last week? Might have been last week. Yeah, that came out pretty good. Better than it was, I guess. Nice. All right, so looked at some pictures to see where it goes. It kind of comes up through that space right over there and comes across. And yeah, so let's do that. Okay. For as much work as I put into reconditioning this thing, the risk of fire is still here. So I'm gonna be hyper vigilant when I get this thing set up. Leaves in here. I don't remember where this stuff went, to be honest. Let's see if I can put this through. So I believe this side connects to the positive side of the starter solenoid. And then the positive side from the battery is going to come across over this way and connect to that as well. Either use the bus bar or not sure. So I found the grommet. It's a little awkward, but it does fit. And it's pretty secure. Just gotta cut it. And I'm gonna feed these lines through here. And then we have to pin it up. We might have to come back up over here. So from here, come up this way. And then down to here somewhere. Maybe I'll make a little electrical box over here where I can cover it up. Yeah, we'll figure it out. So we're pretty close. This is all getting tucked into here. I have to engage this weather stripping with this firewall. All right. I don't know what those go to. See, there's a rip in this. I had used it for something. It's really important to seal these up. Because water gets in there and then it travels along the wires and it can get really bad. So you want to do your best to avoid that. I'm gonna put some kind of sealant on that. I think that's it. That's good. Yeah, so definitely seal these up if you see these holes. So from here, what we might need to do is try to figure out the best way we could pin this. I'm going to try to get this all the way back to here. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright. I don't remember what this is for, but I remember it was in the engine compartment. Tuck that down. Anybody remember what these are for? There's a little chip in that one. Wires are retucked. We just need to figure out what we're doing with them in here. I can put a clamp right up here. And bring this all down here like that. What do you guys think? Is that a dumb idea? there's a hole right here, so I'm going to put a nutsert in that. Rubber clamp, stainless steel rubber clamp to hold this like this. And then this way we're cleared. We'll clear all this, and then I can have, what I'm concerned about is having enough. This is why we have engine compartments. Unless I tuck everything all the way up under here, which I could do. I'd move the starter solenoid up in here. Let's zip tie it for now. Just want to say a quick shout out to everybody who commented on my my hatch fiasco last week. I appreciate it because you guys made me feel way better. Keep in mind, the fender's going to be coming out to about here. So there's a little bit of room on the side here if you wanted to tuck everything up there. The problem comes in, the wheel's going to splash water, right? And you don't have an inner wheel housing. You see right here where I'm going to take the 12 volt power. But yeah, leave me a comment if you have any thoughts on what to do with this up in here. Pretty certain all this stuff goes here, so that's good. This connects to here. Well, it's reasonably back in place. I have no idea where half the shit goes though. Oh, the brake light switch. Let's see. That looks like you. Oh, shit. We just wired up the brake light switch. And that's for the headlights. Alright, I think I know where I screwed up. It's not a screw up. It's not ideal. The wiring harness itself has some kind of relationship with the frame from the dashboard, that metal frame that goes in. I have it still hooked up to the dashboard because I pulled the two out at once and then I took this out. So I know it can go in this way. It's just these things probably connect to the frame and not to this. That's why I'm leaving it like temporary, and then when we put the dashboard back in, which will be much further down the line because I want to make sure that this can energize without a problem, without a fire, so I can put it out quickly if necessary. Sound good? Yeah, so let's do something else. Oh, she needs a bath, huh? Yeah, so listen to this. Let's put some sound deadener on the other side and try that again. Once again, I have to say I'm not sponsored by Silas, but I like the product. One in the middle, or like, let's go this way. Oof. Them some muscles I don't use very frequently. Okay. Whew. Alright, should we test that? Alright, this is just for the top done. I mean the front. Alright, you can definitely hear the difference. Cool. Alright, let's do the back. If somebody were to say, I need $5,000 to sound deaden the roof of my Mustang, I would say no. I would say fuck no. I would say heck no. Or you're out of your mind. Ta-da! Holy shit. That was more difficult than this entire floor pan. Oh, unbelievable. And now with the roof completely done, much better. All right, I took a quick break. I think my allergy medicine isn't really working very well anymore. But yeah, so let's keep going with this. I'm gonna try to cover the wheel wells, and then I don't know. I think I'll call it a day of that. Alright, I'm done for the day. Pick it up next week. Thanks for watching. See you later. Yeah, I mean, if it burns down, that would suck. I think I gotta get some new fuses for this. I should have did that while this was out of the car, huh? Fuck, I think I cursed too much. Huskies.